Good afternoon, J Money Gang. Everybody, smash that subscribe button. Turn on your notification bell on. Y'all know you gotta do today is to follow me on my platform like Instagram, TikTok, Twitch, YouTube, and you better follow me on the social media, like for real, because it is another rainy day pressure with your favorite YouTuber of 2026, because everybody, and I know, seeing the title and the thumbnail about this, about today video, about my life in general. So I am still outside and it's raining out here because
What you doing? Streaming?
no, vlogging.
What vlog? For where?
I'm a YouTuber.
How many people watching?
A lot.
What you do? What you vlogging?
Talk about my life. Yeah. At work.
Good luck.
Alright. So, man, thank God it's raining because I just keep seeing lots of dirt, but y'all need some flowers, like for real. But man, at least I went. Thank God I'm still outside, because I just feel like walking around. I did not went to the gym in the morning. I did not. I know it was like rainy and cold, so I just feel like walking around, do what I have to do today, and that's it. I'm just gonna buy me some lunch. I don't know what time is it. It is 1:38 in the afternoon and stuff. I know my mom is at Stony Brook. I had to check her location and stuff, because I know she has to teach some classes and stuff. Man, it's crazy, y'all. I'm off today, I'm off Thursday, I'm off Friday. I go back to the arena on Saturday. I hope we get some nice weather like from yesterday, because it was sunny out. I wore my jean jacket, wore my work clothes. I feel great saying, and that's it. So I know all these people that I'm looking at right now are working in that small mall because they don't want to get wet, like for real. So I'm not buying anything, but I'm gonna check on my people, how they doing and stuff. Y'all know I could edit this video like real quick and stuff. I'm not going back outside tomorrow. Maybe I am or not. And yeah, so and stuff.
That's the way I'm training.
Huh?
That's just the way my body is training.
They're playing music, so I don't want to get copyrighted. It's all good. Man, you got lots of drinks in here. They must be funny. Oh yeah, I eat those. These are good. I'm gonna put you on. Go to the store and get your Greek yogurt. And stuff like that. Man, they got lots of ramens. That's put you on ramen because if you watch Naruto or Boruto, go get those ramens because it tastes so good it can smack your mama. But don't do it. Just pour the water in, heat it up, and enjoy your lunch. You know what I'm saying? So it's cool. I'm not getting no drinks from here because the last time their orange soda was flat. So y'all seen it. It's crazy. They also got their own coffee or tea machine over here. So let me get out of the store because I wanna call my people and get my food real quick, you know. So let me get my phone. Press quick. My phone real quick.
How can I help you?
I'd like to place your order.
For pickup or delivery?
Delivery.
Okay, going to 172-113 3rd Avenue, apartment number 280.
Yeah.
Okay, what can I get for you?
Can I have 2 bags of chicken wings? And can I have
Simply as would you like it to simply as last time, the 4 pieces by itself?
yeah by itself?
Okay, so yeah, a total of 8 pieces for 2 bucks.
And can I have 2 large fries?
Okay.
What kind of soda do you have?
We have here the Sprite, the orange soda, or the Pepsi.
Can I have 2 orange soda?
Okay, anything else?
That's it. And how much?
Yeah, please meet, the total is $32, and please meet the driver by the entrance or lobby. Delivery in 30 to 40 minutes.
Okay.
Alright, thank you.
Alright, bye. So I ordered my lunch. I'm not going back inside the apartment yet because I just will stay out here. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if this mailman or mail lady did the mail yet, but I can't find out. But let me just stay here a little bit because it's so great in here. Like all the trees are blowing, it's windy out and stuff.
A few moments later.
It's 52 degrees out and I love it. So it's cool. I think tomorrow, I'm gonna do some laundry tomorrow or go to Ideal and pick up some juice because I just almost finished that strawberry lemonade, so I have to replace that. And that's it. I might go back outside, just go to Ideal and pick some juice. I need strawberry, lemonade, mango. We got tortillas, so I just pick it up Waffles or Doritos. I don't know yet, and that's it. After that, I'm gonna edit this video that I made for y'all on this camera. I'm not going to the playground. I'm not going to the playground because I know the chairs is wet. I'm not doing that. I don't want to bust my head open and stuff. Man, they took off the cutest flowers off that tree. What happened to it? Oh, it's on the floor next on top of the dirt. Man, this is crazy and stuff like that. So, man, I don't know if this is gonna be a long video today to edit on my Apple computer, but let's find out and stuff.
2 hours later.
I hope this gets a lot of viewers, lots of likes and comments. I hope you're watching my new video that I posted last night. The YouTube video that I posted on my channel. It's called Weekly Vlog About My Life with Me. It's right here, you know what I'm saying? And let's go on my YouTube studio, on my second channel. Man, we got 3,496. Let's go. I want y'all to resume. No, pause. I want you to smash that subscribe button and turn your notification bell on. Resume. So, oh yeah, like I said before, I want y'all to go to my second channel at Vlog, and we got 42 subscribers, and we got 11 views and 1 like on this video called Why Everyone is Becoming a Content Creator. Please watch all of my YouTube videos because I want you to share my channel, my videos to your family, friends, uncles, grandma, auntie, cousins, brothers, sisters, everybody that's in your house, even your pets, like your dogs, cats, hamster. They have a phone with them because y'all didn't go on YouTube and search my name. And hit the subscribe, hit and turn on your notification bell. I definitely want to see lots of subscribers on my phone. I don't play about my videos, my channel, for real. I know I'm not being live streaming on Twitch, but y'all get ready for summer because next month is June 2026, and that's it. So, oh yeah, I do have to tell you something, but I will tell it in my house, my bedroom, and start my bedroom and stuff. But that will take care of that. Man, there's lots of cars, and there's a milk truck right there and stuff. Man, it looks nasty out here today. I'm not going to the basketball because I know this is empty because I don't want them to get wet and stuff. Man, what did I say about this? Move this shit out of here. So, let me get my keys because I'm going to the lobby if we got mail or not. Because I see other people doing the mail, I guess they are done. Like for real. Let me, man. Man, y'all look sick. Y'all look sick because y'all are getting wet. There you go. Get my keys. Man, I'm at the lobby, back for real. I'm right next to the, the mailbox. You know what I'm saying? So let me just put y'all right here, back for real. Man, I got the mail. I got no mail today. That's a good thing. No one is not bothering me. Thank God. This is what I'm wearing. I wear my Nike sneakers. I don't know, this silver or light blue pants. My burgundy and black hoodie. That's what I wore from outside. I did not wear no jacket because I think I'm not sneezing a lot or getting cold or getting sick. So this is it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and get this video to 10K likes. I'm out.